Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will discuss an option that allows you to add a percentage to the sale rate during billing. To define a percentage for a specific customer, go to the Account Master Setup window. Select the customer and click on Other Details. Then, click on Other Details again. In this section, you can define a default percentage in the Add Percent field. This percentage will automatically be applied to the sale rate in the sales bill for the specified customer. Now, let's create a sales bill. As you can see, the defined percentage is automatically added to the rate. Next, let's create another sales bill. While making the transaction, press Shift plus F3 on the sales rate column. A prompt will appear, allowing you to add a percentage to the sale rate. Simply enter the desired percentage, and as you can see, the specified percentage is applied to the rate in real time for the current bill only. You can also add a percentage to the rate for a specific party, applicable to specific items or brands. To do this, go to the main menu and select Party-wise Settings. Under this menu, you will find the options Party plus Company-wise Defaults and Party plus Item-wise Defaults. Let's explore the Party plus Company-wise Defaults option. First, select the customer account. Then choose the company or brand name. Next, define the percentage to be added in the Add Percent field and save the changes. To verify the defined percentage, go to Entry Mode, make the necessary selections again, and click Refresh. Let's check it by making a sale bill. We will select the customer for which the settings are defined. This option ensures that the defined percentage is added to the selected brands for transactions involving the specified customer only. Let's explore the Party plus Item-wise Defaults option. First, select the customer account, then choose the items. Next, define the percentage to be added in the Add Percent field and save the changes. To verify the defined percentage, go to Entry Mode, make the necessary selections again, and click Refresh. This option ensures that the defined percentage is added to the selected items for transactions involving the specified customer only. Let us create a new sales bill to verify the configured settings. Notice that the 2% defined in the party and item-wise settings has been added to the rate. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.